Oh, me.
No, I said me.
Yeah,
I
see,
don't
look
have to
at
choose
you.
music.
21.
That's what
I got the answer.
Oh.
Okay,
Hey,
here we
guys,
go.
guys, no.
No, I
What's
got
9 plus 10?
Let's go back to this. Okay?
21.
Back to this.
Dear Brown.
Yo.
Number 7. So the first thing I would do here is clear out that fraction, because that fraction is ugly. Okay? So I'm going to multiply everything by 5 over 3, because that's the reciprocal. Not yet. In a minute. So all that's going to happen on this side, and this is the part that messes everybody up, all that's going to happen here with the 5/3 and the 3/5, those are going to cancel each other out, and this parenthesis is going to just stay the way it is. Because you already multiplied by that 5/3 because you multiplied by it out here. So this is going to become 6x minus 5. And then over here, it's going to be 5x, right? 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So you would type in 3 times 5 divided by 3. That's how you would type that in.
And I got 5.
Yeah, that's right. That's what I said. 5x. Because this has an x on it, right?
Come on, bro.
Okay. Well, what am I going to have to do now?
That's a bad.
Subtract what? Subtract the 6x. Guys, can you stop talking? So subtract the 6x. Subtract the 6x. And so I end up with negative 5 equals negative 1x. Can you do that without writing out the division? Like if negative 5 is negative x, what's just x equal to?
5.
5, good. But if you needed to, you could say divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, x equals 5. Good.
I got 5, but I did it a different way.
Okay, what did you do? Did you distribute the 3/5?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's
but
fine.
I got 5, not negative 5. Oh, wait.
Yep.
Never mind.
Yep, I got 5. Something about distributing that I just want to point out.
It was very hard to don't do it.
Yeah, when you're looking at a fraction, when you're going to have to distribute a fraction, that fraction is a mess, okay? And if you distribute a fraction, all you're really doing is spreading the mess around. I would rather just get rid of the mess to begin with, okay? So that's why I get rid of the fraction first. Let's get through number 8, and then we can save the word problems for Monday. How's that? Good?
You're the true one.
Yeah.
I am.
I am.
But we need to get through number 8 without all the chatter. Okay? So, the first thing I would do here is this looks scary to me. Alright? So I'm going to get rid of that first. What could I multiply by that would get rid of this whole mess? 3, right? Because this is blah, blah, blah divided by 3. So I'm going to multiply right off the bat everything by 3. And here's what's going to happen. Tyler, you with me?
Yes.
Okay. This is going to cancel that and that out, so I'm just going to have 12x plus 18. But I also need to remember to multiply this 4 by the 3, so that's going to become a minus 12. And then I'm distributing the 3 here as well.
Do we have to put the
No, it's
12x
6
plus
plus
18
1.
in parentheses?
You don't. No, because the only reason it was in parentheses was to say all of that is being divided by 3.
Oh.
So once you get rid of the divided by 3, you don't need it anymore. Okay. Let's combine some stuff over here on the left. What's that going to look like once I combine whatever I can?
Subtract 12. 12x and 12x.
Okay. Actually, first I'm going to put together the 18 minus 12. It wouldn't, if you wanted to subtract the 12x right now, you could. But I'm going to get 12x plus 6, because 18 minus 12 is 6, equals 6 plus 12x. Does anyone notice anything right now?
It's going to be
They're
1.
the exact same.
It's going to be 1.
Good guess.
It's not, it's a no solution.
Okay.
6 equals 6.
Pretend you didn't notice anything. What's the next thing I should do?
Minus
Subtract
12.
it.
Subtract the 12x. Okay, so subtract the 12x.
And then 6 equals 6.
And this is really similar to that one on the bottom of the other side. 12x is gone, 12x is gone. And I have 6 equals 6. Now hold on.
One.
Great thoughts.
You can do
Great
it.
thoughts. For what values of x is 6 equal to 6?
None.
Michaela, say what you said.
Yes.
All of them?
Isn't 6 always equal to 6?
Yeah.
Yes. So this, your solution here, is all real numbers. Okay.
That makes no sense.
I literally don't get that.
Okay, let me tell you what that means.
I don't get how this one was a solution.
Okay, Great question.
Eight.
The other one,
I don't get it.
I ended up with two different numbers. So there's no X number, there's no number that I could put right here that would make these two numbers equal to each other. So this can never happen.
What if it was 8 and negative 8?
Still, that wouldn't work because,
has to be the exact
right, it has to be the exact same. Here, I have 6 equals 6. Isn't that always true?
Yeah.
So what that is saying is that no matter what number, so Austin was saying 1. I could put a 1 in here and that would work. It'd be true. I could put a 2 in there and this would work. I could put a 5 in there and it would work. I could put a negative 100 in there and it would work. What this means when I get this is that whatever number you pick for X is going to work. Okay? So you pick anything
So
you
it's
want.
okay if we put every number down?
Well, the way you should say that it's all real numbers because that's saying all of the solutions. Okay? If you just put down one number, then you're missing a bunch of the solutions. Okay? How you feeling on this equation solving stuff?
Pretty darn good.